For families in celebration, Florida, safety and comfort are always top priorities. Whether you're raising children, enjoying retirement, or simply cherishing the close-knit community, protecting your home from potential risks is essential. While security systems and strong doors are often the first line of defense, many homeowners overlook one critical element: their windows. Old or damaged windows can make your home more vulnerable to intruders, weather damage, and even accidental breakage. Fortunately, modern window replacements are designed with advanced safety features that go far beyond aesthetics. Here's how installing new windows can significantly boost home security for celebration families, giving you greater peace of mind year-round. Reinforced frames for greater strength. One of the most noticeable security improvements with new windows is the strength of the frame materials. Older wooden frames often weaken over time, becoming easier to pry open or damage. Modern window replacements, however, use durable vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum reinforced frames that can withstand forced entry attempts in harsh weather. These materials are engineered to resist warping, cracking, and corrosion, especially important in celebrations' warm, humid climate. When properly installed, reinforced frames create a solid, reliable barrier that's difficult to breach. This means your family enjoys stronger protection without sacrificing the beauty or style of your home's exterior. Impact-resistant glass that stands up to more than storms. Celebration homeowners are no strangers to Florida's unpredictable weather, especially during hurricane season. Many are now choosing impact-resistant windows, not just for storm protection but also for security. Impact-resistant glass is made of multiple layers, often featuring a durable inner laminate between two panes. This design allows the glass to crack without shattering, preventing intruders from easily breaking through. Even after being struck, the glass remains intact, making it almost impossible for someone to enter your home through a broken window. This same technology also shields your home from flying debris during severe storms, giving you protection from both natural and human threats in one solution. Advanced locking systems for added peace of mind. New windows come with modern multi-point locking mechanisms that secure the frame at multiple locations instead of a single latch. These locks provide extra resistance against forced entry by distributing pressure across the frame rather than relying on one weak point. You can also choose from upgraded hardware options such as keyed locks, child safety latches, and security sensors that integrate with your home alarm system. These features make it easy to customize your window security based on your family's needs, whether you want to protect small children or deter potential intruders. For families in celebrations' peaceful neighborhoods, this combination of strength and innovation means greater safety without compromising convenience. Improved visibility and lighting for safer surroundings. A surprising benefit of new windows is how they improve visibility around your property. Larger window panes and clearer glass make it easier to see what's happening outside, whether it's a delivery, a visitor, or unexpected movement. At night, modern window designs can enhance natural lighting through better layouts and energy-efficient glass that minimizes glare and heat transfer. Well-lit interiors and visible exteriors are proven deterrents against trespassing, helping your family feel secure without relying solely on exterior lighting or surveillance. Weather protection and home integrity. While security from intruders is important, new windows also protect your home's overall structure. Poorly sealed or damaged windows can allow moisture to enter, leading to mold, weakened frames, or even foundation damage over time. Modern, professionally installed windows ensure airtight seals and superior insulation, helping preserve the integrity of your walls and frames. This not only protects your investment but also reduces long-term risks to your family's safety and health. Aesthetic value that complements security. It's not just about safety. Today's windows prove that style and security can go hand in hand. Whether you prefer a sleek modern look or classic charm, new windows can be customized to match celebration's beautiful architecture while providing maximum protection. You'll enhance curb appeal and property value while creating a safer environment for your loved ones. Final thoughts for families in celebration, Florida. Upgrading to new windows is one of the most effective ways to strengthen home security and peace of mind. With features like reinforced frames, impact-resistant glass, and advanced locking systems, modern windows offer reliable protection against intruders, harsh weather, and everyday wear and tear. When professionally installed, these windows do more than secure your home. They enhance comfort, efficiency, and beauty. For celebration families who want a safer, stronger, and more stylish home, new windows are a smart investment that delivers protection and confidence for years to come.